Michael.
S.
Let's do this. 3, 2, 1. You get what you freaking deserve. Now, should I spend $15 for the official app replacement? I got it! I got it! Whoa. Not thinking from Countdown Bricks! Keep that away! Hey, I wonder what's inside. Alright, thank you, and ready for testing. Ooh, this one. Alright, the screen is flashing. Yes.
Hey guys, welcome to show you how many and my expensive mistakes that I have.
Wait, kid. Replace it. No question asked. It was only just 2 feet. Maybe it would be close to 4,000.
Hey guys, welcome to How Not to Unbox Microphone. Ah! Why would they put something meant for kids?
If you're calling me because your Joy-Con sticks buttons don't work when the Joy-Con's attached, press 1.
Switch a light switch with a switch light. The funny thing is that I dropped the DVD player and make DVD player from the balcony and makes the light go turn off. 3, 2, 1.
Guys, you wouldn't believe it. We just hit 1,000 subscribers on YouTube. Wow, I can't believe that. We're going to unbox my brand new YouTube play button that is in my closet. Check it out. 1,250 subscribers. Well, I just hit 1,000 subscribers this morning. Alright, let's go unbox my new play button now. Hey, who goes there? Let's go and open the door. Look who's there. It's a YouTube box. Get in there. Alright. See, it did good. Alright, let's go unbox it. Alright. This that came out. Are you ready for this? Here we go. Just gonna open this. Give me a sec. You ready? Alright. See what's going on in the box. Alright. Oh, we got the box. Right. See you in the next scene. Right. We're gonna take out the box. Oh, we got a note. It says, "Hello there. This was very, very good to celebrate your favorite YouTube awards. We'd like to thank you for getting more board smashing videos and for fun. Thank you for everything. We hope you have to be a great famous YouTuber." By Suzanne Wojcicki. You ready? Get it out of the box. You ready? You got the box. Get it out. And look. Oh God. Are we ready? In 3, 2, 1. Come on, let's get it out. Get it out. Come on. Get it out. Come on, get it out. Oh. Now we finally got it. It's our new favorite play button on YouTube. We just hit presented to Michael124 for passing 1,000 subscribers. Oh, thanks. I get to have this play button here. But I'm going to put it up on the shelf later, so I'm going to make a Snapchat story. Alright everybody, if you just put it up on the wall, this is very big, but this will fall off every time I put it in. Alright? Is it good? Yay! We just got a new play button! Check that out! We just finally got a new play button, and we reached 1,000 subscribers. Well, thank you guys for getting 1,000. And so with that, thank you for watching. Comment, like, and subscribe. New videos will come soon, and I'll see you guys later. Bye!